and he had showed me the Uthman and the Orthodox y'all videos, and that's when I started battling with my mom. And now me and my mom are like kind of going toe to toe because I also got kids, and I definitely want to bring them a lot of. I don't want to disobey my mom, but I know what she's teaching isn't the right way. And because of you guys' videos, I know like how to battle with people now. But I also haven't taken my shahada yet. I do want to take my shahada, but I also have a question. I do have 2 older daughters, and I know that they have a good relationship. She does take them to church a lot, but I have stopped because I want my kids to know the right way. And like I said, I don't want my mom, I don't want to feel like I'm, disobeying her, but I also don't want my kids to go down the wrong path as well. I mean, I know they're just
100%.
kids, but
look, I'll give you an example, right? Like a lot of people are raised with misconceptions. Some parents are racist. I'll give you, like I grew up with people whose parents were very racist, unfortunately, right? And just because you point out that their racism is wrong doesn't mean that you don't love them. You still love them, but maybe they were raised with something wrong, and you try to help them by educating them. But that doesn't mean they're not your parents, right? So if your parents thought God was a man, or God was 3 but 1, 1 but 3, or God was a monkey, or whatever else that people believe, then unfortunately they're wrong. It's like somebody being raised believing 2 + 2 is 5. Well, it's 4. 3 is not 1. So now that Allah has guided you, no doubt that you should do your shahada, because that is the most important thing in your life, to recognize your Creator and then to worship Him. But at the same time, respect your mother. Respect her, like Orthodox said, in what she says is good. If she tells you, hey, take me to the hospital, take me to the doctor, take me shopping, do it. Tell your children to be the best, better than before. But if she tells you, let's go worship a man and say it's God, and tell her, look, I love you, but I can't do that. Just as much as I can't go and rob a liquor store with you, I mean, I had a lot of friends whose parents were criminals and would make them join in criminal activities. And as they grew older, they had to say no, even though they still loved and respected their parents.
okay.
All right, Orthodox, you wanna do this one?
You're muted.
Orthodox, you're muted.
Oh, sorry. Sure. So Brianna, I just want to confirm, you want to become Muslim now. It's already in your heart, and you want to become Muslim today with us, right?
I do.
Okay, beautiful. You want to do Arabic first or English first?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, we'll do the Arabic. We'll do the Arabic. No problem. Just repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله
إلا الله
وأشهد
وأشهد
أن
أن
محمدا
محمدا
عبده
عبده
ورسوله.
ورسوله.
تكبير الله أكبر.
الله